Hey, another hiccup in the relationship world is new people look good. When you with an old person, and they don't have to be their age, but just the fact that you've been with them for the duration of an extended period of time, which can stretch from 2 weeks to 2 years plus. And you can see somebody new. And I think the women are the same way. I don't think it's just the guys. I used to think that it was a one-way street and guys was always getting over and women were at home boohooing. It's not true. It's not true. So women are movers and shakers, and they're doing things too. So word to Brittany Granite. But that shows that it's definitely that people like new things. And so new people look great. They do. But, well, how does a new person end up looking bad is they become an old person. Once you learn somebody's ways, the way they move, the way they do things, and if it gets boring, if there are sexual relations involved, that gets repetitive, nothing new, nobody's creative. Start to look for somebody new. So that makes a new person looks great. So I want to jump on real quick, and it's a hiccup because I don't understand it myself, but it's just the truth. New people, they look great. They look great when you're in a situation or relationship. So, but that's a hiccup, and maybe somebody can explain it to me. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. I would expect more women to feel like what I'm saying is a lie than guys. Because usually the guys are the one that gets labeled, gets stamped, and get baptized as the person who fucks up the relationship by cheating. So, only reason why cheating is a necessity or even an option is because new people look good. They do. It seems like the conversation is fresh, and like their clothes are brand new. The same jokes that they tell sound a lot funnier than the person you with. This is what it is. So, new people, they look great, and it seemed like it would be great to be involved with them. So they going downtown, man, I want to go downtown. Nobody wants to go home to the old ball and chain, and that goes both ways. It does. It goes both ways. Nobody want to do that old shit no more, man. I want something new. The variety is the spice of life. Variety is the spice of life. And so women want variety as well. Social media helps to sprinkle all of that stuff out. So it's a game now, and it's a race. So I just want to close this off with hip-hop version of me explaining the hiccup concept is that in this conversation that people like something that looks new, something that's great, something that's different. All right, I love y'all.